My name is Anika Kai, celebrity makeup artist and content creator. Keep watching to learn how to get this look just in time for Halloween. To create Chucky scars, I'm layering latex-free lash glue. Liquid latex would also work beautifully for a scar-like texture. After I've built up a thick layer of glue, I'm using a tweezer to create a gash before it dries completely. Pinching the skin together also helps to create creases and texture to enhance the illusion. I decided to add more depth and texture by using the black side of the lash glue. Using a clear wax, I sculpted my brows upwards to mimic Chucky's. This Morphe cream blush was the perfect shade to mimic an open wound, so I applied it on top of the dried lash glue. I grabbed another cream blush in a darker, fleshy tone to add dimension to the scars. A cream shadow in a rusty shade gave my eyes a more hollowed-out appearance. Black eyeliner helped deepen it even more. Once the rust and black eyeliners were blended out, I used the same brush to enhance the creases of my face. This helps to exaggerate the doll-like effect. I also used it to add more shadow next to the scars. To lighten my brows, I grabbed some concealer on a spoolie and brushed it through my brow hairs. So I used the same concealer to brighten my under eye and accentuate the high points of my face. A bright red liquid matte lipstick is a great option if you don't have fake blood on hand. I used a deep reddish-brown purple lip gloss to really bring it to life. I added wing liner, mascara, and lashes to bump up the glam on this look. Popped on a nude lip gloss and more fake blood to the lips to complete the look. I don't know why, but mixing cream contour and blush on the cheeks just felt right. With a little imagination and a few accessories, this look is really easy to pull off as a last-minute Halloween costume. And now our Chucky look is complete. Thanks for watching. Bye!